guys, welcome back to my another video. Today video is about a biology ETEA MCQs. So the first MCQs is which component of blood is primarily responsible for oxygen transport? A. Plasma, B. White blood cell, C. Platelets, and D. Red blood cell. So the correct option is D. Red blood cell. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body? A. Pulmonary artery, B. Vena cava, C. Aorta, D. Pulmonary vein. So the correct option is aorta. C is the correct option. The third MCQ is what is the main function of the heart valves? So A, to pump blood into the arteries, B, to regulate blood pressure, C, to prevent backflow of blood, D, to produce blood cells. So the correct option is C, to prevent backflow of blood. Which chamber of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body? A. Left atrium. B. Right atrium. C. Ventricle. D. Right ventricle. The correct option is B. Right atrium. Which is the term for the relaxation phase of the heart cycle? A. Systole. B. Diastole. C. Tachycardia. D. Bradycardia. So the correct option is B. Diastole. The next MCQ is which blood vessels are primarily involved in the exchange of nutrients and gas with tissues? A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Lymphatic vessels. So the correct option is capillaries. C is the correct option. The next MCQ is what structure in the heart initiate the heartbeat? A. Atrioventricular nodes. B. Sinoatrial nodes. C. Bundle of His. And D. Purkinje fibers. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which part of the circulatory system carries blood to the lungs for gas exchange? A. Systematic circulation. B. Coronary circulation. C. Pulmonary circulation. And D. Hepatic circulation. So the correct option is pulmonary circulation. What is the primary function of white blood cell? A. To transport oxygen, to form blood clots, to fight infection, to carry nutrients. So the correct option is C. To fight infection. C is the correct option. The next MCQ is what is the fluid component of blood called? A. Serum. B. Hemoglobin. C. Plasma. And D. Lamp. So the correct option is C. Plasma. Hope you like the video. If you like the video and you want this type of video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive this type of video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.